Okay, so limit h goes to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a all over h. By the limit h goes to 0, what is f of a plus h?
1 over a plus h.
1 over a plus h. Everyone agree with that? You plug a plus h in. Minus 1 over a all over h. Now what?
You have to,
Like bases.
yeah.
Or like,
In other words, not like bases.
not like
Common
denominator.
denominator.
Common denominator. So this side needs an a over a. This side needs an a plus h over a plus h. A, be careful here. Do not make the freshman mistake. That is subtracting all of that, correct? That'll be a squared plus ah all over h. Do not drop the denominator. You with me there? Yes, no?
A squared plus
Cancel. Limit h goes to 0. Negative h over a squared plus ah. Can we go ahead and KFC?
Yeah,
Yeah. Now h's cancel.
but you're still left with the negative.
Yeah, I'm still left with an h, but is it a problem now? No, you take the limits h goes to 0, so plug in 0. I'm left with
a 1 over a
negative 1 over a squared. So think about what that's saying. That is the slope anywhere. So if I'm looking at this curve, which we all know is a hyperbola, correct? I want to know the slope at 3. What do you think I do?
1 over 3 spin.
Plug it in, right? I want to know the slope at negative 1. Alright, plug in negative 1. This is the slope anywhere. Everyone follow that?
That's so cool.
Do not drop the limit as you write. I'm going to be very picky about that. Okay? I one kid a few years ago wanted to make a stamp on his pencil because we do a lot of these problems, and he just wanted to every time just write stamp, stamp.
Why not?
He never did make it, so I don't know.
Why? That would be kind of cool. That.
You get on that.
I keep like wanting to put as x approaches. That's right.
Yeah, I know. You'll get out of that. Now, where does the slope equal negative 1/4? We have to understand the language here. A lot of people miss these on quizzes. It's not asking what is the slope at negative 1/4, is it? Because that's when I would just plug it in. Here's asking when does the slope equal? So exactly what it sounds like. I'm going to set that equal. So was it negative 1/4? What? No, it's better. But yes, you can cross multiply. 4 equals a squared, so a equals plus or minus 2. Oops.
Wow.
Hey, I hurt myself. Get off.
She's up.
So at plus and minus 2, the slope is negative 1/4. But be very careful. I have a lot of language issues with people here. They try to plug in negative 1/4. Okay? But just understand the concept going on here. I found the slope anywhere. So if I want to know the slope at 4, that's when you plug in. I want to know when the slope equals 4, it's when you set it equal to, obviously. Now, part B is the harder part for most people. Or part C. Part C. Because there's not one right answer. Oh. Should make it easier. You're describing in your own words, which is why there's not one right answer about what's going on with these tangent lines as I change A's. Right, because the question asks, what happens to the tangent to the curve at point A, 1 over A for different values of A? Well, let's think about it. You have to kind of visualize these tangent lines in your head. Very important for what we're doing next week. Draw a tangent line here, tangent there, here. You see these tangent lines? What's going on with them over here? Well, yeah, But they're tangent lines. So there's no infinity with lines. They're always going to infinity. Describe the line. They have positive and negative slopes.
All of them are negative.
They have negative slopes, and they're getting steeper. Okay. Now let's look at the tangent lines over here. Still negative slopes, but they're getting shallower.
Oh, you said
That's what I
steep.
thought.
Less steep is how you would say that. Okay.
I thought shallower too.
Yeah. And that's it. We're describing that in words. So, A, well, let's see. As A gets bigger, the slopes are negative and getting steeper. Until 0. Because that's when things switch, correct?
It's getting bigger there, though, because it might be getting smaller because it's in the negatives.
Yeah, it's saying steeper. That's all it said. I didn't say bigger.
But you're saying A gets bigger.
Oh, A, yeah, because we're going this direction. Remember, A is my variable? Yes? So as A gets bigger, the slopes are negative, getting steeper. Until 0. Yes? I should probably put until A is 0. Don't be popping that gum. Then, the slopes are still negative. But getting less steep.